Hey, what's up YouTube? So I received a package recently from Vevor. This is a dual action orbital polisher. It came with the whole kit. I will do unboxing here in just a second and show you what came in it. Came with some pads and the polisher itself. And then I'm gonna do some demo videos, put it together and upload it for you guys, let you guys know what I think of it, how the product is, and I will include a link to buy if you're interested in this and the description below. So let's go ahead and get into the unboxing, see what's in it, show you guys what it looks like, and then do some demos and let you guys know what I think. Hope you guys like the video. Okay, we got a package in from Vevor. I already took it out of the shipping box, so I'll just go ahead and get in and open this and show you what's in it. This is a dual action polisher, comes with a nice little carrying case. Looks like they sent me out a whole kit, coming with a microfiber towel, some replacement parts for the polisher itself. We got some foam pads here. This one is just a regular nice thick foam pad. Looks like we got some waffle foam pads. These are good for polishing. I will probably use a couple of these, give them a try. And we got a wool pad here. Don't know if I'll be using the wool pad. I do have some of my own wool pads. Some of the Roots more coarse wool pads that I'll probably be using, but I'll definitely give some of these these foam ones a try, the waffle ones. Got a little handle right here, optional, stick on the side if you like more of a side grip on it. And here is the polisher itself. And as you can see, just like any other dual action polisher, many companies make them. Pretty much every company that makes a polisher is going to make them. Harbor Freight has their own, the Bauer, Roops has it. Like I said, any company that's making a polisher is typically going to make one of these dual action polishers. So as you can see, the looks are all pretty much the same. Nice length of a cord on it. Yep. So settings, we got minimum 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to 6. I'm not sure what I will be running this one at. I just don't know like what RPM their settings are running at, but we will find out and I will let you know, and I'll let you know how I like it. I'll be doing a full demo and review on this just to see how it works, see how it holds up, let you know what I think of it. Me personally, I am a collision painter, so I'm not going to be doing full-on color sand and correct. I do more of just wet sand out dirt nibs and polish that area to get the scratches out. What I'll do is I wet sand with a block or a little denibber, and I'll take the dirt nib down flat, and then I'll finish off with 3000 DA. Typically I'll go over it with a rotary polisher first, and then I will finish off with the dual action. I might try finishing in 3000 and then just going straight to this and maybe one of those coarse Roops wool pads that I have. See how this does getting the scratches out without the rotary, and then finish off with the one of these waffle ones with the polish, and just see how get all the swirls out, see how the finish is and everything, and I will let you know what I think of it. I'll also let you know what my helper thinks of it. I'm gonna let him use it, let him try it out. He does a lot of the polishing around my shop. So I will let you know what he thinks, and I will do some footage of in-action demo of this polisher working. Let you know what the throw looks like, vibration, kind of everything that's just coming out of this. I will also drop in the description, I will put a link to buy this if you're interested in this. I'll put everything that I know about this polisher itself in the description, and a link as well if you are interested in looking into this polisher itself. Like I said, this is made by Vevor. This is the same company that makes the primer and paint gun that I reviewed in a different video. So I'm going to go ahead and get to the demo here and put it all together and send it your way. after using the Vevor polisher for a while now, I gotta say that I'm really impressed with it. I like the way it works. My helper likes it. We both have used it off and on. He's been using it a lot. He does most of the polishing in this department over here. So he has been using it a lot. He likes it. It's not too rough of a vibration. It has a nice throw, works great. There's really no lag with it or anything like that. He's actually been choosing to use that over our other ones more often lately. Yeah, all in all, I think it's really good. It works great. Like I said, it has a really good throw, buffs good, leaves a nice finish. It's not too aggressive. The speeds are nice. The handle and everything is very similar to any other Orbital polisher that you're gonna use. So basically the looks and appearance, everything on it is the same as most of the other ones on the market. This one does come with that side handle that a lot of people probably will like. I'm personally not too fond of the side handle. I kind of like just holding it by the top like most of the other Orbitals. The only ones that I really like the side handle on is like a rotary polisher. Other than that though, yeah, it's great. So I had some videos of a Porsche that we were polishing, and then videos of a Camry as well that I'm kind of just going to toss together on this video, as you just saw, and just kind of show some in-action footage of it. But yeah, all in all, I would definitely say I would recommend this polisher. It's really good. I believe the price point is right around the same as, say, the Harbor Freight one. I want to say it's around $100. Don't quote me exactly, but I will drop a link in the description if you're interested in looking into this. That way, you know, you could go there, see the price. If you want to buy it, you can purchase it through that link. Yeah, I will be using this a lot more in the future, and I'm sure my helper will be using it as well. So yeah, I'll do an update video later on, just to let you know how it's held up over time, how it's working still, if there's been any issues, anything that we've come across, or anything that's really happened to it in that time. But for now, that's my quick review on this, and thank you guys for watching. See you guys on the next one.